Follow these directions to reserve a middle school COW using the desktop application for Outlook. So I'm logged in. I'm going to go to Calendar, and I'm going to navigate to the day that I want to reserve. So I'm looking at August, and actually August 23rd is the day I want. What I'm going to do is just double click, and I get a pop-up. So what the pop-up looks like. And subject, I'm going to type in my name, and I'm going to type in the exact days and times that I need. So this says Thursday, that's good. 7 a.m., I can leave it at 7 a.m. or I can make it 7:15. I can drop down and pick a time, or you saw where I can actually type in the exact time I want. I'm going to go 2:15. They're cows, so normally we understand people will reserve them for the entire working day, even if you're going to share the cow among a teacher or two. But if you only want it for half a day, only reserve it for half a day and leave the rest of the time available for somebody else. All right, so once I've got that information in there, I could make notes to myself in here I want. It's just like an email. I could insert uh, agendas and things like that. But now I'm going to go to Scheduling Assistant. So I'm going to go to Scheduling Assistant and see that I'm here. And now I want to add rooms. So when I click on Add Rooms, it takes me to the global address book. And if I type in MMS, it'll sort down for MMS COW 1, 2, 3, and everything will be listed here. And if I hold down on Control, I can select several of them. I'm not reserving the lab right now. All I'm doing is seeing which ones are available. And then when I click on Rooms, it populates with all those labs I've selected. OK. And the first thing I notice is that all of these are checked. Well, I certainly don't want to reserve all of them, so I'm going to uncheck for now. And I'm going to look, and it said Thursday from 7:15 to 2:15. I'm going to close this box, and you can see that actually Thursday, somebody's already got it. Actually, that's me. And that's what it'll look like if it's already taken. So I can't reserve on Thursday. So I could take another lab, but I'm going to go ahead and backtrack and take Wednesday. And once again, I look in here from 7:15 to 2:15, from green to red, and I see all of them available. But I like Cal 3, so I'm just going to put a check mark in Cal 3. All right, and now that I've reserved that, I click Send. And you see on my calendar, MMS COW 3 is here. And if I go back to my mail, I'll see that I get an email that says tentative. All right. Later, once Linda goes through and accepts, make sure that it works, I'll get an email that says accepted COW 3. And once again, if I go back to that date, I'll go back to the 23rd here. If I double click on the event, I'll see that COW 3 is reserved, but then I have this nice tracking. So view tracking status, and it'll tell me that MMS COW 3 has been reserved and it's been accepted. So then I know I'm good to go. If I decide at a later date I don't want that reservation, I should go back to that event and right click and cancel meeting. And when I cancel it, it goes away from my calendar and it makes it available for another teacher to use. Thank you very much.